Hello, Fountain Hills. My name is Bob Murphy. I'm the owner of Roofs, Arizona. This particular roof out here in Fountain Hills is 4,600 square feet. We have a lot of things going on here. The customers have actually elected to take off all the tile. That's not typical. Most folks elect just to take off the tile, establish a new underlayment, put in the wooden battens, the hardware, sticks and so forth, but these folks have said, hey, after 20 years we want to have a whole new look. We're going to take off all this tile, establish all new underlayment. We've decided to go with the 2 layers of 40 on this to make it an 80-pound test of asphalt. Roofs Arizona is a smaller company with less overhead. We can generally save you cost and pass those savings on to you. We also offer financing for those who need it. We realize roofs can be a large expense, and we have alignment with Hearth Financing, which does an excellent job with construction type loans. Guys, whether it's repair or full replacement like this one, give us a call. I'm your guy, Bob Murphy, Roofs, Arizona. I'll take care of you.